Imagine your short story being discovered by thousands of readers online. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's possible with the right SEO strategies. First, understand your audience. Who are they? What genres do they love? Knowing this helps you tailor your content to their search habits. Next, dive into keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find phrases your readers might use, such as best sci-fi short stories. Craft an engaging, SEO-friendly title. Include your primary keyword and keep it catchy to encourage clicks. For example, The Time Traveler's Dilemma, a sci-fi short story. Don't forget the meta description. This short summary appears in search results and should include your primary keyword and an intriguing summary. Optimize your story's content. Use subheadings with keywords, add a summary with keywords, and link to other related stories on your site. Visual elements matter too. Add high-quality images, optimize alt text with keywords, and compress image files to ensure fast load times. Make your website mobile-friendly. Use a responsive design, ensure fast load times, and test readability on various devices. Promote your story beyond search engines. Share on social media, submit to online fiction communities, and collaborate with other writers. Monitor your performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your story's performance and adjust your strategies as needed. Great stories deserve to be read. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and comment if you find the video useful. Also, subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest videos. Click the link below for a detailed blog post on how to rank your short stories.